Hi everyone, Dan Swayzak here with Sway Designs Woodworking. Welcome to my backyard. Today's episode I'll be showing you how we went from whole logs that I urban logged out of someone's backyard to stacked and stickered lumber. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. Like most good stories, this journey started off when I received a phone call one day from a friend of mine. He started the conversation off by telling me about some crazy adventure he thought I'd be interested in. He mentioned how he had cut down this giant black walnut tree over the past weekend at a friend's house, and that how there were 3 10-foot logs that needed to be removed and hauled out of there. Well, say no more. It was a classic hook, line, and sinker scenario. I was interested, and so I borrowed a truck, a tilt deck trailer, and off we went to his friend's house in North Tonawanda to give urban logging a try. When we arrived, we encountered obstacle after obstacle. His friend had had a few yards of sand dropped off right in the middle of his tight driveway that we had to maneuver the truck and trailer around to back up to the location where the logs were located. Once we got to the logs, we had gotten started so quickly that I forgot to set up my camera to film. My apologies. I hope you can forgive me. And if you can't, well, too bad anyways. It already happened. Just kidding. There was a 5,000-pound winch conveniently located on the trailer, but its battery was dead. Nothing a couple of engineers couldn't figure out. We hooked up a set of jumper cables from Corey's truck to the trailer battery to charge it as we continued on working. With no winch power available, we used large steel bars to help roll the logs into position. From there, we switched to our backup rigging plan, which involved using 4 rigging chains and 3 come-alongs. For those of you who don't know what a come-along is, it is a lever-operated manual chain hoist that is used to move heavy objects in a straight line. These come-alongs did the trick, and after a bunch of switching on and off, as well as re-rigging, we were able to slowly drag the 2,000-pound, 26-inch diameter black walnut logs up onto the tilted deck of the trailer. This turned out to be pretty physically demanding work in the heat. It is also important to mention that every chance we got, we would run the winch to drag the log up until the battery drained down again. From there, we would switch back to the manual way to keep the progress moving. This process went on and on until we finally had all 3 logs loaded onto the trailer. We chained down the logs, and off I went. Total time loading was 2.5 hours. If you liked what you saw in today's episode, please consider liking and subscribing. It motivates me to create more content, and I appreciate it dearly. Thank you again.